Hey visionaries, I hope we are in good health. Welcome back to our channel, where we offer concise and structured courses for business professionals and new entrepreneurs who want to learn new skills in a short period of time. Today, we would be discussing 5 ways to make money from home. But before we continue, please like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss each time we post. Number 1. Become an online seller. Online commerce is here to stay and is getting larger and larger. Would you not like to get a piece of that pie? If you are new or have no funds, you can start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a fulfillment method where you don't have to hold stock or inventory. You simply find a reliable supplier online, preferably Alibaba.com or AliExpress.com. Once an order is placed on your store, it gets sent out by your supplier straight to your client. You keep your profit and send your supplier the cost of the product. We will discuss dropshipping and product ideas in our subsequent videos. Number 2. Freelancer. You can offer your services or skills online on places like Fiverr and Upwork. You can offer services like academic writing, screenplay writing, online content, books, business plans, business proposals, etc. Other services like web design, SEO services, offering design services in Canva. The list is endless. Find what you are good at and hone in on your skills. Number 3. Blogging. Everyone has opinions and ideas. Your content could appeal to an audience which could be shared across social media. You can make a good income providing consistent content. You can do this by picking the right niche which is rewarding and is exciting for you. Create a blog on WordPress. Pick the right name. Create winning content. Make sure to use keyword tools like BuzzSumo or Answer the Public to have an idea of trending topics. Monetize your blog. This should be the last stage after you begin getting a lot of traffic to your blog. Number 4. Translator. If you know a second language, you can make money translating documents in different industries that you have an expertise in. Number 5. Online tutor/teacher. If you are a native English speaker, you can make money teaching students in non-English speaking countries. You can register on an online tutoring agency where they put you in front of ideal clients. There are loads online which you can go with. Another way is creating your own platform, but this can take longer to scale. You just have to remain persistent and patient. That's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which you would consider starting.